An elderly San Jose woman and her son took on the Santa Clara County Public Guardian today in court and won.
Yeah, the county wanted them to take out a reverse mortgage on their home.
Dan Noyes is back with a follow-up to an I-Team investigation from last night at 11. Dan, what happened?
Oh, boy, it was something. Carolyn and Dan, today in court, Grace Alamo got a chance to set the record straight. She was confused at times by the questions and got emotional, but in the end, the judge heard her loud and clear. 85-year-old Grace Alamo owns this house in San Jose, but has been living in an assisted living facility in Cupertino paid for by Medi-Cal.
And I like it there.
What do you like about it?
Because it's all my friends.
The Public Guardian's office filed a motion to take out a reverse mortgage on her house, which would mean she would have to move back there. The county says Grace had expressed a desire to move home over the years, and the only way to afford that would be a reverse mortgage.
The funds from the reverse mortgage would be spent on her home maintenance, her care, property maintenance, and things of that nature.
Grace Alamo was conserved by Santa Clara County in 2008 after a court found the accusations credible that her son Anthony and now deceased husband Silvio misused her money and were not taking care of her. Anthony Alamo denies any wrongdoing. He still lives in the family home and has been fighting the county over control of his mother and the house. He says the family trust prohibits taking out a reverse mortgage.
Who are the most important people in your life?
The most important people? My son.
With questions from 3 attorneys, Grace told the court where she wanted to live.
Would you like to move home or stay where you're at?
I like to stay where I'm at.
With that, Judge Thomas Kane ruled against the county's motion.
I'm persuaded most by her statements here today, and so consequently, I am going to determine that she should remain where she is at the moment.
At least he showed me that the system works after 5.5 years in the court system, and we can get some relief.
Anthony Alamo tells us he plans on finding ways for his mother to visit the house, including buying a van to transport her. The county still maintains control of Grace's estate, though, and if she changes her mind about moving home, this will most likely wind up back in court again. An update now to another I-Team investigation. The city of San Francisco has given a $750,000 settlement to whistleblowers Derek Kerr and Maria Rivero, former doctors at Laguna Honda Hospital. In a 2010 I-Team report, they helped expose that the administration had been raiding a gift fund meant for patients to pay for travel and fancy meals for themselves and staff. After that report, Kerr was laid off and Rivera resigned under pressure. In addition to the cash, the settlement calls for mandatory training in whistleblower rights for the hospital's executives. So that long story is finally over.
Wow. Good work. What an ending to that. Thank you, Dan. Sure.